Hello, people of the internet. Today, we are doing a review on my Lego Ecto 1. So anticlimactic. My Lego Ecto 1 custom. Nope. Ow. Now, I'd say pretty good. It's definitely not as impressive as other people's, but, it does what it's supposed to be. An Ecto 1. We got the top. And it's actually the one from the second movie, which is the Ecto 1A. From the, And I also have this license plate for the Ecto 1. You just put it here on the back. So, yep. You got the front, which has a custom sticker or a label. That's pretty cool. And they actually had these signs on it. And I put Ghostbusters. I got some stickers, some warning lines. I got the cover for the wheel, so it kind of covers it. I got this big tank in the back, right here. Got it kind of accidentally. Yep, has a warning label. And I'll show you the inside. And you're probably wondering, AJ, why do you have Peter Venkman if you don't have the original? I have the Lego Dimensions version. I got this around when Lego Dimension was at its prime time. Anyways, here's Peter Venkman. I could probably put on his proton pack. Boom! There we go. Got the proton pack on. So, yep, the proton pack is very detailed. You got the little gun you can hold. Shoot at the ghost. So, yep. There's the interior, by the way. There's 2 black seats. Another thing that came with this Lego Dimensions was the ghost trap. And I thought, no, I'll somehow integrate it. So what I was doing is I'm going to show you where it actually goes. So in the video game, which I have beaten, they have like a ghost trap on the top of their car at a point. So what I was thinking was that I'd put it on top of the Ecto 1. So it was kind of like the ghost trap from the video game. And you got a bunch of space in there. Got the lights. It says Ghostbusters. I even somehow got the little wings.
I bought a small bottle from Claire's until you got some more of your.
So, yep. And if you want to put together, how you put it back is you get these 2 white 2x3s or 3x2s. And you put that there. Put this in the back. Then you put your finger through the window. So you hold it up and then push down. Then in the back, you push down because there's blocks supporting it. Then you get this piece, which has two little lights on it. Then boom, you got the Ecto 1. So yeah. Also, a video that just came out before this was my review on the LEGO Star Wars 2020 Walker. And a suggestion I didn't do in that video was that if you bought the 20th anniversary Stormtrooper Battle Pack, you can get the 3 newer Stormtroopers, which I actually like. Then you put them in the walker, because in the walker you can, there's a bunch of seats, and the full set only came with 2, and there's 5. So 2 and 5 equal 2 and 3 equals 5. So then you can fill up all the seats. So that was also something I did miss in that video, but... And one last thing I did miss was that you could put General Veers and the 2 AT-AT pilots in there, which was a first to put all 3 in. And I'll just give you guys a little spin around of the Ecto 1. So there's the Ecto 1, my LEGO custom Ecto 1, and some tips and tricks to make this better. Alright, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. One last thing. Sorry I haven't been uploading. I got kind of confused on some stuff. I know no one subscribes to this channel, but the people who do sometimes watch my videos, that's why I haven't uploaded in 3 weeks. So, well, I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.